Hey guys, what's up? This guy, duh. I mean, like, I haven't posted in a while, and I won't be posting in a while. I've been on trips. I went on a trip this past weekend for 4 days. And then I'll be going back on a trip on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Tonight though, like 10 something at night. But anyway, yeah, this is gonna be my only post for a while, because I'll be on a trip, like 2 weeks. Maybe I'll post it there, I don't know. It'll probably be something small and simple and quick, like a watch me edit on Fun of Me or something like that. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you how to increase your snap score on Snapchat. I used this a while ago. I was at like 12,000, and after using this I got to like 50,000 in like a few minutes. Maybe not, maybe like 20 minutes. It's really easy and quick. But yeah, it's super easy. So yeah, let's get on to showing you. So guys, this is my Snapchat. It's at 60,468. And basically what I'm gonna do, also add me. I'm at LawMyFriendsBoy. Hate my username. So anyway, what you're gonna do is you're going to go into multi-snap, so basically, hold on, this is a voiceover because I messed up and I didn't turn the microphone on, but basically you're gonna press the down arrow and you're gonna click multi-snap. This basically means that you're sending 10 snaps in each snap. It's much faster because every snap that you send is +1 snap score. So basically you're gonna just take 10 because that's the max. Oh wait, before you're gonna go into add friends and you're gonna add everyone on your quick add, every single person. And then you're gonna go back and do the quick add, but everyone you add is going to probably not add you back this quickly. So you're gonna send it to all of them because they won't receive it unless they've added you back. And then you're just gonna send it. And basically, once you're done with that, this second go around will be so much easier because you can just click last snap, and that goes to the last snap that you have sent, and it's much quicker. And that's basically how you do it. And if you keep on doing that, it'll increase your snap score heavily. So you're just gonna keep on doing that. Basically, once you're done with that, you're going to, once you're done sending all the multi-snaps, what you're gonna do is you're going to close out of your Snapchat. You're gonna refresh, and then you're gonna go all the way up, close out of the entire app, go back into it, because that is basically what refreshes your snap. And it makes sure that your it's what updates your snap score. And look, I went up by 6,000 something. So yeah, it's a very quick and effective way to get your Snapchat snap score up higher. And that's how you get your snap score from 0 to 5 million. You can really do it as far as you want. So yeah. Subscribe for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.